I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here, and if you have a Samsung Galaxy device, the S7 or J7, I just want to show you if you got stuck in download mode. Do not turn off target. I am going to show you exactly how to come out of this mode. Don't panic. If your battery is removable, you can always take out your battery and reinsert it. But what you want to do, you want to hold down the volume down, the power button, and the home button if your device have any. So this is what you want to do here. Volume down, power and home until you see the Samsung logo. Then you release all button when you see the vibration. So guys, that's how you can get yourself out of this mode. I hope that this video was helpful. My name is Lens. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. Also like, share, and all of that good stuff. I'm out.